Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change an event name in Calendly step by step so you can update your scheduling link and keep your booking page looking clean, professional, and up to date. This is a quick but super useful Calendly tutorial, especially if you've changed the name of a meeting, launched a new offer, or just want your event title to match your brand better. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account. You'll want to make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage multiple calendars or workspaces. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the scheduling section. This is where Calendly keeps all of your event types and booking settings organized in one place. Now find the event that you want to rename. If you have more than one event type, take your time here and make sure you select the right one. You might see different meeting types such as discovery calls, consultations, interviews, or appointments. The goal is to open the exact event whose name you want to change. Once you find it, click on the event to open its settings. This will bring up the event details page where you can edit the core information for that booking type. On this page, look for the event details section. This is where Calendly lets you adjust the main settings tied to that event, including the name, duration, location, and other important options. Now locate the event name field. This is the part you want to edit if you're changing how the event appears to people who book with you. Click into the field and replace the current name with your new event name. Keep it clear, specific, and easy to understand because this is often the first thing your invitees will see. A strong event name can help make your scheduling page feel more polished and professional. After you type in the new name, double-check it carefully. Make sure the spelling is correct, the wording matches your brand, and the title makes sense for the type of meeting you're offering. If you want, you can keep it short and simple or make it a little more descriptive depending on your workflow. When everything looks good, click Save. This is the step that applies your changes and updates the event name in Calendly. After saving, your renamed event should now be reflected in your scheduling settings and booking page. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can change an event name in Calendly without having to rebuild the event from scratch. This is a great way to stay organized, refresh your scheduling pages, and make sure your event names always match what you're currently offering. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next Calendly how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.